Hello guys, today I'd like to cover the KYC module and its capabilities. First of all, the KYC process can be very different. Almost every one of our clients has some customizations put in that affect the KYC process. It is one of the most customized parts of the system, and that is why we made it the most flexible. Well, let's take a look at some examples. Default workflow is like this: account registration, trading account opening in disabled status, request for ID copy and utility bill, documents submitted, documents verified by broker, global KYC status passed, and trading account enabled. Changing any part of this process changes the entire workflow. Here's an example. Let's say you don't want to spam your trading platform with abandoned accounts that never even intended to finalize registration. So now you got account registration, request for ID copy and utility bill, documents submitted, documents verified by the broker, global KYC status passed, trading platform account opened. Keep in mind that each step in this chain triggers other events such as email confirmations or task status changes. So that is why when we start the setup, this will be one of the first things that you will discuss with your project manager. All right, let's add dimensions to this. Documents can be partially approved. For example, ID is okay and utility bill is not okay. Our workflow would not execute till the document is updated by the trader and verified by an admin. Different KYC may be required by different account types. For example, joint accounts would require KYC on all parties. Corporate accounts would require company KYC in addition to trader KYC. Accounts with higher balances can require additional KYC, for example, source of funds. And finally, we get to KYC automation. Many companies can take a lot of weight off your shoulders if you let them. Sumsub, AutoKYC, Onfido, HiveId, just to mention a few. These companies can accept your customer documents, verify their authenticity, and based on that, we can approve the account automatically without you doing anything regarding the customer KYC. Of course, there are dimensions to this as well. For example, some jurisdictions require you to check for publicly exposed persons, or ongoing KYC where you check the KYC every year or every time a document expires. In some jurisdictions, all withdrawal requests need to go through a special verification process to make sure the destination accounts belong to the same person as the depositor. All of the above mentioned scenarios add levels of customizations and require flexibility that Kenmore Design CRM can offer out of the box. Give us a call. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you again next time. Goodbye.